soundboards can be used to teach different concepts in the form of hotspots. In this demo, we're going to make a soundboard that teaches basic shapes. To create a soundboard as part of your TinyTap activity, first design your slide. When your design is complete, tap on Set Activity and select Create a Soundboard. Outline the soundboard hotspots by tracing them. Tap the plus sign to record the accompanying audio for every hotspot. Square. Double tap the hotspot to create an identical trace and drag it to the next spot. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Tap the settings icon to record an instruction. Tap each shape to hear its name. Tap Done and then Play to see your soundboard in action. Tap each shape to hear its name. Triangle. Square. Circle. Rectangle.